Have you ever wished your daily commute was more than just a routine? Get ready for a total makeover. Buses and trains are getting a tech boost. Think Wi-Fi, entertainment, and intelligent security, making your journey an absolute joyride. But prepare, because this is just the beginning. Please stick with us, friends, because there's more incredible stuff coming your way. Trust us, you won't want to miss the next chapter of your city's tech adventure. What is urban mobility? Okay, so moving around a city, whether it's people or stuff, it's a bit like this big puzzle. You've got the roads, the cool gadgets, what the folks in charge think, and the place's vibe. It's been a thing for ages, like a super old story. But now we're adding some fancy tech twists to the plot. So how we cruise through the city today is like a mix of history and a sneak peek into some seriously cool future moves. From old school paths to the latest gizmos, it's all part of this exciting journey of getting around in the urban jungle. Urban mobility challenges. Okay, so let's break it down. The whole getting around the city thing has been tricky since forever. Balancing the traffic craziness, making it easy for folks to move around, and dealing with pollution. It's like a giant puzzle. Now, with more people flocking to cities than ever, we're in a bit of a squeeze. Traffic jams aren't just a time suck, they're hitting hard on productivity. Imagine losing almost 100 hours stuck in traffic, costing $88 billion in lost work vibes. Safety is another deal. Accidents on crowded roads are taking a severe toll worldwide. Plus, all that stop-and-go action? It is not great for our air, leading to health issues. And oh boy, the environment is feeling it too. A chunk of global carbon emissions is coming from how we move around, and it's set to grow unless we switch up our transportation game. If we don't get on that public transport and intelligent road tech train, India's CO2 emissions could go from 70 to 540 megatons by 2050. Urban mobility. It's a challenge, and we're right in the middle of it. How cities are revolutionizing urban living. So picture this. Cities are stepping up their game with super smart tech to improve our lives. They're like the wizards of the urban world, pulling in data from everything. Traffic lights, cameras, even gadgets on buses and trains. Then they use their genius and brains to crunch the numbers and spill it all in open data pools. It's like constantly watching what's up, helping with traffic magic, planning your routes, and keeping us safe. Smart pavements check the weather, road conditions, and even how worn out the roads are, giving heads up to drivers and traffic controllers. Parking? A breeze with intelligent alerts for open spots. Traffic signals that adjust themselves? Yep, that's a thing. Street lights that go all detective with cameras and sensors, dimming when no one's around and keeping tabs on traffic, safety, and air quality. And oh, the cameras are not just for selfies. They're watching out for traffic issues and shouting out to the transportation peeps when things go haywire. Smart intersections, tolling, public transport, fleets. Everything's getting smart. The result? Intelligent traffic systems save us up to 60 hours a year. Bangkok's already on the bandwagon, saving tons of hours and slashing traffic delays with just 3 intelligent intersections. Cities wear superhero capes and say, "Let's make urban life awesome." Are you interested in discovering how the streets transform into a tech playground set to be a game changer for urban mobility? But wait, if you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to hit the like button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming videos. Your support means a lot to us. The urban mobility revolution. Get ready for a wild ride into the future of city living. Brace yourself, because some seriously cool tech is about to shake up how we all zip around town. We're talking super smart cars, self-driving wonders, and vehicles that can chat with each other. It's like upgrading from a bicycle to a rocket. These futuristic rides aren't just for show. They're here to make our journeys safer, traffic smoother, and the air cleaner. Imagine a world where cars are like genius buddies, always looking out for you, talking to each other to avoid bumps, and even reducing those pesky emissions. The streets are turning into a tech playground, and it will be a game changer for how we roll in the city. Driving into the future. Picture this. Your car isn't just a mode of transportation. It's a savvy player in a high-tech symphony of urban mobility. Thanks to vehicle communication tech, Those once dumb cars are now like the superheroes of the road. They talk to each other and share info with the city's traffic brain, making sure everything flows seamlessly. It's not just about avoiding accidents. It's about creating a smooth dance of vehicles, maintaining steady speeds, and reducing those annoying fuel stops. Imagine cruising down the street, and your car gets a little nudge from the system, telling it when to switch lanes or ease up on the gas. Cool, right? Well, researchers in Germany are already making it happen on a 2-kilometer test track, orchestrating traffic like maestros for a safer and more efficient journey. Upgrade your commute with smart transportation. Are you ready for a tech-savvy and comfortable urban commute? Picture this. Buses and trains are getting an excellent upgrade thanks to some nifty tech tweaks. Imagine open platforms using standard x86 hardware, making them super intelligent. They'll keep an eye on security with fancy video features and keep those wheels turning smoothly with AI-backed predictive maintenance. And that's not all. Say goodbye to boredom during your ride with Wi-Fi, onboard entertainment, and interactive info displays. Say goodbye to commuting hassles with smart city moves. Is getting around the city a bit of a puzzle? Whether you're behind the wheel, sharing a ride, or hopping on public transport, it can be a bit of a mission. But guess what? Smart cities are changing the game. With clever transportation systems and open data platforms, getting from point A to B is becoming more convenient than a hassle. No more headaches with multiple apps. Think of planning routes and schedules effortlessly, thanks to apps like Move It. And it gets even more remarkable. As cities become more competent and vehicles become autonomous and connected, this mobility as a service, MaaS, app will turn your commute into a seamless, smooth journey. Picture saving time while the system sorts out traffic, energy use, and vehicle flow throughout the city. It's the future of stress-free commuting. Easy steps to boost city smarts. Have you ever wondered how cities can get more innovative with their transportation? Well, here's the lowdown. It's not a do-it-all-at-once thing. We're talking about easy upgrades that can make a significant impact. Do you know those traffic cameras and safety gadgets in your city? Please give them a little tech boost, and suddenly, they're like the excellent brain cells of an intelligent city network. Picture this. Your transportation system is getting super bright in real time, thanks to AI doing it on your phone or a nearby smart gadget. And guess what? The future is looking hopeful with faster and steadier data transfer through 5G+. There's the magic of open data pools where everyone can jump in for a better city experience. Let's not forget the superhero move of securing everything with hardware-based data protection. It's all about making cities smarter, safer, and more efficient. Transforming urban mobility in Europe and North America. Cities in Europe and North America are leading the way in reshaping urban mobility through smart initiatives. Smart trains. Forward-thinking cities such as London and Paris are adopting smart train technologies. Projects like London's Crossrail and Paris's Grand Paris Express showcase the integration of cutting-edge train systems for enhanced efficiency and environmental sustainability. Biking revolution. The push for eco-friendly commuting is evident in the expansion of bike lanes. Amsterdam and Copenhagen continue to set the standard, with Amsterdam being renowned as the biking capital. North American cities like Portland and Minneapolis are also investing in bike-friendly infrastructure to promote sustainable transportation and reduce pollution. People-centric spaces. Some cities are creating pedestrian-friendly zones by closing downtown areas on weekends. Barcelona and Montreal are pioneers in this approach, temporarily transforming bustling city centers into vibrant spaces for strolls and outdoor activities. These initiatives collectively contribute to the vision of smarter, greener, and more livable urban landscapes in Europe and North America. So, we've been on an incredible adventure, exploring how cities can become super bright and transportation can get a high-tech upgrade. From talking cars to streets that check the weather, it's like a tech party for our cities. Now, are you ready to be a part of it? Imagine buses and trains becoming super bright with Wi-Fi and fantastic entertainment. If that sounds awesome, click the like button and tell us in the comments what you're most excited about. Remember to join us for more updates on how our cities are getting even more remarkable. Let's make our urban life unforgettable together.